Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. With the latest announcement of the Ian Flemings International Airport being the newest port of entry, coming home to Villa Anastasia will be even more inviting after a short 15 minutes drive. This furnished 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, beautifully maintained single-story villa in Rockmoor Estate is just minutes from the Golden Eye, Doors Fish Pot, and James Bond Beach. Enjoy ocean views and all the green space this property has to offer. Sitting on zero point 0.4 acres or 18,022 square feet of lush lawn with room for expansion, Villa Anastasia awaits its new owner. Some other features of this house includes ceramic tile, ceiling fans, grilled, fully fenced, central location, easy access to amenities, family oriented, view of the ocean. The asking price for this home is US 400,000 or Jamaican $61.5 million. Now, let's take a look at this villa and please leave your comments and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.